In front of me is Nubia Neo 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Autofill Service and tap on Google Password Manager. Now just click on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Then hit delete next to edit and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!